I think we're going to be taking 24 to...
Level up, family. What's up? Back here with another video for you guys. This video is just going to be about this 24-hour trip that we got to take. We came up here to help my aunt and uncle out to move from Wisconsin, and we're going to pack the truck up. Go around the corner so y'all can see it. We're going to pack that truck up right there. We're going to pack that truck up, and we're going to take this drive all the way from Wisconsin all the way straight down to Tampa, Florida. So y'all come ride with me and tag along, because this trip about to be fun. It's about to be crazy. So right now, we almost finished. Almost finished loading, so go in the house and see what we got left. As you see, got a lot of little stuff left. Nothing too crazy. See where these other two at. That's crazy. I'm in here looking for them, and they out there. But we gonna take this long drive, and we definitely gonna have some fun with this drive. I'm sitting here looking for y'all in here, and y'all outside.
You know, I'm surprised. You guys have all these.
Look, you just don't hit that truck.
Well,
you can hit whatever you want.
Just started getting a wine.
Oh, yeah.
Alcohol section in it. They
You know what he doing?
some of the best wines.
Nope.
$10.
Oh, wow.
They got a
He's the
California
responsible adult.
There's a brand called Quarter Cup.
I thought you were gonna shoot it out.
So we start to get some gas, so we about to see it. And hope that I can't even open them. And hope that nothing broke. See, we got this lamp right here that fell. I told Reese that I was gonna do that, but look like we good. We look like we good. Ain't no mirrors, bro. Just the lamp. Just the lamp. So I think we alright. Alright, so we made it to what? Leroy, Illinois. We got about 16 more hours to go. Man, that's something bright. But it's crazy. Out here in the open, and it ain't nothing but just land. That's it. All land. That's all we've been seeing so far. But say we should touch down in Florida about 1 a.m. So hopefully we don't run into no traffic. So you seen that lamp fall, tipped over, huh? You seen that lamp tip over, you ain't fix it.
Right now, we have tables here.
How long we got left?
It says, when I say no, let's try that again.
You ain't got no service.
That bitch said, I typed in the address and it said not found. Like, did it blow away? It said 15 hours left.
15 hours left. Just filled up, which ain't bad. 175 for this. Not bad at all. I gotta go get the receipt. Y'all want anything?
We about to go get food.
Where we get food from?
McDonald's instead of it was.
McDonald's. You speaking my language. Shit, forget that there. All right, well, I still gotta get the receipt. So we finally made it, and the first place we came to was Hungry Harry's. This was my first time here at this barbecue place down Florida, but the food was just magnificent and the perfect meal that you needed after that long drive. I would never do this drive again. I love my family, but I couldn't do it again because this is all we seen, all the way from Wisconsin, all the way down till we hit Nashville. This is all we seen. It was literally nothing there for us to see. And it was a boring drive. It was literally a boring drive. 28-hour drive done in a box truck. It was tough, but we knocked it out. And thank God that we was able to do this drive with not having one issue. That's the end of this video, though. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. And Y'all stay safe out there, and I'll catch y'all at the next one.